Where can I purchase nicotine-free vape products if I am under 18?
If you're under 18 and looking for nicotine-free vape products, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll discuss where you can find these products and some important things to consider before making a purchase.
Can I legally buy vape products if I'm under 18?
Before diving into the purchasing options, it's crucial to understand the legalities. In most countries, it is illegal for minors to buy vape products, even if they are nicotine-free. This is because vaping can still have negative effects on your health, particularly for young people. It's important to research the laws in your area before attempting to buy any vape products.
Are there any alternatives to vaping for minors?
If you're under 18, you may want to consider alternatives to vaping. Some options include 1. Nicotine replacement therapy, NRT. If you're trying to quit smoking, NRT products like gum, patches, or lozenges can help you manage cravings in a safer way. Consult with a doctor before starting any form of NRT. 2. Hobbies and activities. Instead of turning to vaping, find activities that can help you cope with stress or occupy your time. Exercise, meditation, and spending time with friends are all healthy alternatives.
Where can I purchase nicotine-free vape products if I am over 18?
If you are over 18 and looking for nicotine-free vape products, there are several options available to you. 1. Vape shops. Many local vape shops carry a variety of nicotine-free e-liquids and devices. Speak with the staff to find the best options for your needs. 2. Online retailers. There are numerous reputable online vape retailers that offer nicotine-free e-liquids and devices. Ensure that you purchase from a trustworthy source to guarantee the quality and safety of the products. In conclusion, if you are under 18, it's crucial to consider the legalities and potential health risks before attempting to purchase nicotine-free vape products. Remember that there are healthier alternatives to help you manage stress or quit smoking. If you are over 18, you can explore various options to find the right nicotine-free vape products for you.